Dear maths enthusiasts, welcome to another session where we will learn the rudiments of differentiation from first principles and the basic differentiation rule. Pause this video and try to solve this exercise if you already know how to apply first principles differentiation. You're required to differentiate with respect to x. Your knowledge of calculus will only get better if you can endure until the end. When implementing first principles differentiation, the objective is to complete 5 steps. These 5 steps will allow you to progress from the function f of x to the function f prime of x including limit as h tends to 0. The first step is expressing the equation as f of x. The second step is to introduce the increment term h on both sides of the equation. Then expand the right-hand side of the equation using your knowledge of algebraic expansions. The third step is to reorganize the expression on the right hand of the equation before subtracting the equivalent of f of x. The fourth step is to divide both sides of the equation by h and then simplify the fractions where necessary. The fifth and last step is to introduce the limit as h tends to 0. This step should eliminate any remaining h in the expression on the right-hand side of the equation. If the 5 steps were implemented correctly, then the left-hand side of the equation should show the full equation for solving f prime of x. The final answer is f prime of x is equal to 6x minus 5. Now check the accuracy of this answer by using the basic differentiation rule. The basic differentiation rule also shows that f prime of x is equal to 6x minus 5. Hence, both methods yielded a consistent result. Clearly, the basic differentiation rule is easier to implement than first principles differentiation. However, both methods must be learnt, especially as the first principles differentiation is often specified as the method to use in many examinations. How about solving another exercise? Pause this video and try to solve it like the previous exercise. Use the first principles differentiation before attempting the basic differentiation rule. Remember to follow the 5 steps of First Principles Differentiation. These 5 steps will help you to progress from the function f of x to the function f prime of x, including limit as h tends to 0. You will need to employ your knowledge of binomial expansion using coefficients from Pascal triangle or combination factorials. These algebraic expansion techniques will be discussed in another video tutorial. You The final answer is f prime of x is equal to 9x squared minus 9. Now check the accuracy of this answer by using the basic differentiation rule. The basic differentiation rule also shows that f prime of x is equal to 9x squared minus 9. Hence, both methods yielded a consistent result. Congratulations for reaching this point in the video. Your commitment to learning calculus is impressive. If you learned something from this video, please like, comment and share it for reach. Feel free to subscribe for more videos and let me know what you would like me to discuss in future video tutorials.